Hey everyone, we just launched a new onboarding flow at Pieces, and I'm going to walk you through it. First, head to pieces.app, choose your OS, Windows, macOS, or Linux, and start the install. I'm going to install it on macOS. So, open the installer, click Install, enter your secret passwords, and let it run. Once that's done, you'll see a screen that says Welcome to Pieces. Click Get Started, and from there you can sign into your account if you want to, using GitHub, Google, whatever works for you. After you're logged in, Pieces finalizes setup in the background, and you'll get a quick welcome message. And from there, you can just use your computer as per usual. Just click on a bunch of tabs, look at some articles, scroll LinkedIn, and then come back in a few minutes. Once you return, you're going to find out that Pieces LTM has actually captured a bunch of stuff. So there's links to things you were looking at, even next steps to maybe what you want to work on later. And if you realize that during the process it captured some stuff from maybe some apps that you don't want it to capture stuff from, you can actually just turn that off in the LTM source selection menu. Next up, you can actually open your Power menu and open up Pieces Copilot. Then you can just click one of the suggested prompts and it will literally write a stand-up for you based on all the activity that you were doing during the onboarding. There's even a bunch of links that you can click on to find the things that you're working on, and even a section about blockers and next steps. After checking out the Copilot chat, you can click on the bottom left and change your LLM. We have a bunch of cloud LLMs and on-device LLMs. Here, I'm just going to change my LLM to Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Next, you can actually go through your Copilot chat, click on a workstream summary, and get back to your workstream activity view and look at what you were doing earlier. Hopefully this helps. Let us know what you think about LTM 2.5 and the new onboarding.